bakalan hilang, nggak bisa ambil lagi. Wah, bisa masuk cutscene. Andreas. Razor. Calm down, calm down.
Lupus Boreas, not injured. Why so weak?
Why so
Am
weak?
I not strong enough?
Razor, why so weak? Why so weak? Kayak Uncle Roger.
You are not to blame. With your Iron Claw, you
Iron Claw
successfully
Blade.
blocked their attacks.
However,
Their assault went beyond the mere physical world. They followed my trail from the distant north across the ley lines. They sought to corrupt the territory I protect.
oh lo, ini good.
But I shall not let them succeed without a fight.
So they come from Notcry?
We meet again, human Lupical.
Human Lupical? Apakah kita ada wolf di dalam hati kita?
So, are you saying that the wild hunt we just got attacked by came all the way from Notcry to Mondstadt?
Lewat
How is that
Leylands?
even possible?
Lewat Leylands?
As you know, I stand before you as an incomplete being.
Pantesan.
I am but one remnant of the god Andreas' soul.
Andreas is so...
The source of this turmoil. I can sense it. It lies in the north. It is the part of me that remains in Notcry, from whence I came.
Oh, yang dihadapin Barca berarti.
Huh? Now Paimon's even more confused. How can you be in two places at once?
Are all gods like this? Ya, kayak Spy kemarin. Mecah-mecah nyawa gitu. Do you all like to split yourself into multiple parts? Speechless. Kayaknya emang iya deh. Sukanya gitu.
For many gods, housing a part of their soul within an object is no difficult feat. But those who can perform such delicate partitions as this are rare, even among the gods.
Oh, Vandy? Kamu juga kah?
The Wolf King, Andreas, was particularly adept in this art. Otherwise, no remnants of his soul would have survived till the present day.
Ya, berarti untuk pertahanan diri berarti.
Huh? The bard's back?
Lohen.
Toondiff Bard? What are you doing here?
Maybe the god of Anemo guided me here. For it
Really?
appears that someone is in need of a tale from the distant past. And our wolf friend doesn't seem too keen on recounting it himself. Who better than a bard to do the honors? Lord Boreas, do I have your blessing to share this story?
Boleh, boleh.
As you wish.
Nurut lah. Ini kan godnya.
Lupus Boreas wandered the frozen tundra
In
and
pursuit of
stumbled
wind
into
and
the
shadow.
Seelie Hall. Enchanted by their song,
Frozen tundra.
tender as the dawn starlight, and curious about the ways of humankind, the wolf bade farewell to his home and set off for the city to the south.
Wait. Calm down. Let me read. Lupus Boreas wandered the frozen tundra. Oh, not cry? And stumbled into the Seelie Hall. Angels? Seelie? Enchanted by their song, tender as the dawn starlight, and curious about the ways of humankind. The wolf bade farewell to his home and set off for the city to the south. To the south? Where?
As the high tower crumbled and the fierce winds fell silent, Lupus Boreas, who once had hunted with the storm winds himself, looked within and inquired, was the shelter he provided for humanity really any different from that given by the reclusive king in his tower?
Reclusive king in his tower. Khaenri'ah?
The wolf entrusted those under his protection to a new god and
To a
quietly
new god.
returned to the frozen north. There, in a palace long since abandoned by its former master, the great wolf closed his eyes and slept.
Frozen North.
500 bitter winters passed, then 500 equally frigid springs. He slumbered undisturbed until a knight stumbled in from the cold, just as Lupus Boreas had once done at the Seelie Hall, and awoke him at long last.
A knight stumbled in from the cold. Roland, just as Lupus Boreas had once done at the Seelie Hall, and woke him up at long last.
The knight asked the wolf to join him on a journey south, to see once more the land that had all but faded from his memory. The gentle wolf, unwilling to refuse the human's earnest plea, split his soul into two halves and left his home once more.
Two halves? Into two halves. Two halves. Pecah jadi dua berarti. Satunya ditinggal di Notcry, satunya perjalanan bareng this night. Kayaknya ini Ravenwood ya.
Seeing how the ice and snow had given way to verdant plains, hearing the laughter and song that now filled the once somber city, the aging Lupus Boreas turned to his friend, the god of Anemo, and remarked,
Seeing how the ice and snow had given way to verdant plains, hearing the laughter and song that now fills somber city, the aging Lupus Boreas, god of Anemo,
So,
Barbados.
this is the world the humans dreamed of. Though the knight's journey was not yet over, the wolf chose to bid farewell to his companion here.
Di mana nih? Stay di mana akhirnya
He had
Andreas?
written the end to his story. What knowledge he had been gifted flowed into the land. Everything he was, he gave unto the world.
Di sini kayaknya ya.
Well, that's how a bard would tell the tale. Lord Boreas, is there anything you'd like to add?
There is no need for you to ask that question.
Kenapa? Udah lengkap ya?
So that's
Story-nya.
what happened. You returned to Mondstadt with that knight 1,000 years ago, and then, for the sake of the new Mondstadt, you...
Turu.
You need not feel remorse on my account.
Oh, pakai kekuatannya dia.
That was my answer, my decision.
Ya, dia membangun Mondstadt yang baru dengan kekuatan dia. Terus dia turu deh.
If anyone should feel regret, it is the part of me who remained in Notcry.
Yang jahat tadi berarti.
I fear Andreas has not found peace in his heart even to this day. That is surely why those vile aberrations were able to exploit his weakness, sowing the seeds of all the turbulence that has ensued.
But we followed Boreas' trail in Notcry. We investigated and discovered no signs of instability.
Really loh, Han? Pokoknya kamu fokus
Andreas
gelut
should
doang.
still be slumbering by the lakeside.
Iya, yang di sebelahnya base campnya Knight of
unforeseen consequences.
Knight of Avonius. Perhaps all the reason turmoil in Notcry has foreseen.
And there's more. I detect another familiar scent from across the ley lines. A scent that reeks of blood.
Could it be Roland and the blood's not? Could it be Roland, the bloodstained knight?
Oh, the white knight who became the Bloodstained Knight? The mightiest knight of Boreas? But wasn't he from 500 years ago? You think he's immortal or something?
I remember him as just a man. His lifespan should be no longer than any other of his kind. But before he severed his connection to Boreas, his final destination, it was the ancient kingdom of Conria.
Oh, damn!
Call it. Beyond that, I know not if he lived or died.
Oh my god. Berarti dia sekarang Semacam kayak Dainsleif atau Schlichers lainnya kena cursed.
If you want to get to the bottom of this, I'm afraid you'll have to make another trip to Nodcry yourselves.
Ya, don't worry. Ada teleportasi. Entah kalau Lohen ikut nggak kamu?
As luck would have it, another old friend of ours just so happens to be free right now.
Who?
If you ask him nicely, he might give you a lift.
Ah,
That could
Barbatos.
save you a lot of time on the road.
Oke, Venti, let's go.
No wonder I can suddenly sense the east wind's presence.
Ah, numpak dragon, numpak
If
naga.
even Mondstadt has been affected by the fallout, Nodcry must be in real trouble by now. I hope Varka can handle it.
I don't know.
Varka? Is he in danger?
Wah, khawatir ya Razor. Ayo ikut.
I believe too many passengers would slow our dear friend down. I fear he only has room to carry one person, along with perhaps a diminutive companion.
I understand, I'll go. Lohen ikut nggak?
Alright. Wish it could be me, but I accept that we should send our strongest warrior to fight Nodcry's battles.
Ah, sama Paimon doang ya, oke lah.
I'll
Paimon kan
stay
nggak
here
harus
and
duduk.
deal with any wild hunt that try harassing Mondstadt. It'll be a good chance to try out some new moves.
Oke, Lohen. Dasar nih orang.
I...
Razor nggak apa-apa, jangan khawatir. Di sini aja, nungguin Bapak
stay in
Andrius.
Mondstadt too. With Traveler's help, Varka will be safe.
Yeah, don't worry. Don't worry, baby.
Razor,
Baby wolf.
give me your iron claw.
Oh. Oh. Oh, dapat power baru. Ah, lah kok dikasih ke kita?
Golden-haired traveler, give this token to the current knight of Boreas.
Ah, buat kasih tunjuk ya nanti ke Buria satunya. Kirain mau dikasih ke Razor.
It is a wolf spirit. It contains my power and thoughts. Though I have given him a piece before, this should bring him new strength.
Oke. Buat warga berarti.
The Dominator of Wolves once bestowed the power of his soul upon his pack, strengthening their hearts and sharpening their claws and fangs.
Oh.
But human hearts and flesh cannot bear the soul of a wolf directly. It would be akin to forcefully merging a human and a wolf into one being. They would descend into chaos.
Nggak bisa dipaksa berarti.
To prevent the entanglement of souls, the most I can do is temporarily house my power and thoughts within claws and fangs wrought of steel.
Kayaknya Barca juga punya kalung yang bentuk kayak taring gitu ya. Apakah itu fangs? Masuk ke fangs?
Although, truth be told, that knight does not lack for power. What he needs more is the thoughts within. But I shall leave this for him to explain.
Is it safe to separate a piece of the wolf spirit at a time like this? Is it okay for you, Andreas?
The great wolf king of the north remains strong for now. Besides, do I not have the protection of my Lupical?
Aww.
I will protect Lupakal.
Yeah.
The North and Varka, I leave to you.
Thank you, Razor. Don't worry.
Just give me the word whenever you're ready.
Okay, let's go Barbatos. Amin 20. Ngobrol dulu ya. Loen, mana Benti? Loen dulu deh.
I sure didn't expect my experience fighting the wild-hunted Nodcry to come in handy back here in Mondstadt. Almost makes me wonder if this was the reason I was sent back.
Ya, ada silver liningnya kan Loen. Di sini juga bisa gelut.
Also, how come that bard knows so much? And what was he doing at the Thousand Winds Temple?
Yeah. What do you think?
Well, whatever. I don't really care. As long as I get to do some fighting. I'm looking forward to trading blows
Excuse
with
me.
Lucas Boreas when he's fully recovered.
I'm looking forward to
gotta
trading
wipe the
blows
floor
with
with me.
Wipe the floor with me. Maksudnya nggak bakalan gampang terkalahkan gitu kah? Maksudnya apa ya guys? Yang English speaker, please enlighten me.
I can read Varka's letter. I will try my best to write a reply.
Aw, baby Razor. Semangat ya nulisnya.
A wolf's claws make poor instruments for writing human words. But that token will suffice to convey my thoughts.
Semoga ya. Semoga pesannya tersampaikan dengan baik. Let's go, Fenty. Kita naik numpak naga.
Any questions before you set off? Better
About-
ask now.
Yeah.
You'll probably have to hit the ground running when you get to Nodcry.
Yeah, about the wolf of the north, the Boreas.
The root of this turmoil lies with the remnant soul that Andreas, dominator of wolves and god of the north wind, left in Nodcry.
Ya, setengah
He
jiwanya yang
once
ditinggal
left
tadi.
Nodcry and braved the blizzards to confront the god of storms and claim the right to rule. Yet even as the tower fell, he chose to abandon his claim.
The Caribbean, God of Storms. Itu kayaknya ada di manga deh, tapi lupa. God of Storms. Pokoknya Mondstadt dulu tuh kayak setengah hancur gitu loh guys. Entah setengah atau hampir keseluruhannya hancur, terus habis itu dibangun lagi. Kayaknya itu tadi pakai kekuatannya ini si Boreas buat membangun Mondstadt lagi biar bisa ditinggali sama orang-orang. Kayaknya pertama sebelum ada Boreas ya di Caribbean ini yang menguasai.
Instead, he returned to the north and slumbered for 1,000 years before finally journeying back under the name of Boreas, with the first knight of Boreas to witness the new face of Mondstadt.
Ravenwood.
When the wolf spirit could no longer maintain his physical form, Boreas chose to pour his power into the ley lines. With that, he became the North Wind of Mondstadt, as he is still known to this day. Any questions before you set off? Better ask now.
About Roland.
500 years ago, Roland seemed destined to become the mightiest knight of Boreas ever to have lived. But he was too pure of heart.
Oh, terlalu polos, jadi idealnya prinsip idealnya pasti sangat tidak tergoyahkan kayak Diluc gitu. Mungkin Varka juga mikir Diluc, takutnya Diluc berakhir seperti Roland, makanya Varka nggak akan bikin Diluc kesepian gitu. Setidaknya ada orang-orang yang di sekitarnya yang masih perhatian sama dia, jadi kalau ada apa-apa bisa dibangun lagi semangatnya gitu, biar nggak terlalu negatif, ya kan?
He believed firmly in his own ideals of chivalry, vowing to eliminate all injustice from the world. But the world had never been perfect and pure.
Ya,
Nor would it ever be.
ya kayaknya Diluc juga ada di situasi yang kayak gini, tapi kayaknya dia lebih melembek sekarang, sedikit melembek karena ya waktu.
Neither his mentor, the wolf pup Rostam,
Rostam.
nor the Grand Master, known as the Lion of Light,
Lion
could
of Light.
persuade him to temper his obsession.
Hmm.
But what was the scent that reeks of blood that Lupus Boreas sensed? And what is its connection to Conria and the Abyss? Perhaps you will uncover the truth in Nodcry.
Semoga ya, Benti.
Any questions before you set off? Better ask now.
About the
You'll probably
token,
have to hit the ground running when you get to Nodcry.
and the wolf spirit yang ada di Iron Claw ini
The
tadi.
soul of a wolf is as unyielding as ice, and Andreas is a master of molding and shaping it. His people once drew great strength and wisdom from the wolf spirit, but human hearts and flesh cannot contain the soul of a god. Attempting to place the wolf spirit in a human vessel would slowly devour their sense of self. even if Lupus Boreas did not intend for that to happen.
Makanya ini Andreas elemental powernya Anemo dan Ice Cryo ya kan? Ternyata powernya emang itu.
That's why Lupus Boreas developed the technique of imbuing weapons with his soul. It is his way of blessing his human Lupical with the wolf spirit's protection. In fact, there is an ancient song that tells this tale.
A weapon once of common iron,
now through friendship turned divine. Twixt man and wolf a bond was made, a power born within the blade. As much as he might claim not to accept humans, his actions sing a different tune. Oh, but keep that little observation between us, will you?
Ya, kita tahu kalau dia baik
Any
orangnya.
questions before you set off?
No, let's go.
Ask now. All right. Over to you, Dvalin.
Yeay, numpak naga. Mana Dvalin? Lupa. Ya, Dvalin mana nggak ditunjukin Dvalinnya turun. Sayang sekali. Ini jam berapa ya? Habis ini asar. Kayaknya kita take a break videonya di sini nggak sih guys? Takutnya nggak bisa stop nanti. Kalau udah masuk ke quest selanjutnya. Ya, langsung masuk cutscene.
The night of Boreas awaits below. We must part ways here.
Dvalin.
Barbatos and I have other plans. We will meet you again later.
Oke, Dvalin. Siap. Siap, bos.
Alright. Hey, wait. How are we getting down?
Wah! Jadi refleks bilang A juga. Soalnya Lumin nekat banget tiba-tiba lompat gitu aja. Wah. Woi. Ngarang aja, untung nggak jatuh. Mana. Oke. Kita nggak akan turun di situ langsung. Aduh, ada dindingnya lagi. Aduh. Nggak bisa ini ya, turun di tempat lain ya. Aduh. Gimana nih? Rencana mau take a break dulu. Habis ini azan. Aduh, nggak bisa jauh-jauh lagi. Alamat ini mah langsung masuk cutscene. Ah, kan? No!
Hold the line! The enemy's on the brink of collapse!
Wah, dari tadi gelut mulu nih orang.
Grandmaster!
It's Sheesh. Turun dari atas. Wah, Lumin.
Reinforcements! It's about time!
Oh my god, Lumin. Oh my god. Bentar, speechless banget. Ya Tuhan. Lumin, kenapa ngompat langsung terjun gitu aja sih? Gila nih anak. Honorary Knight reporting for duty, Grandmaster.
And Paimon too.
What's the situation?
We're just about hanging in there. Most of their grunts are taken care of now. Their leader's gonna have to make a decision soon.
Okay.
Fight or flight? What will it be, mightiest knight of Boreas?
Cupu, dari tadi kirain udah gelut sama dia. Ternyata sama kroco-kroconya doang.
Expected. This hastily summoned Wild Hunt horde is nothing but a disorganized rabble. A mere shadow of the forces gathered by the Rehir of Solnar.
Rehir of Solnari.
But they have served
Udah tobat
their
ya?
purpose. I now understand your tactics, and you, in turn, understand mine. This is fair. This is the way of chivalry.
Apaan ini mah pengecut? Harus inilah 1v1 lah dari tadi. Kenapa muter-muter mulu? Habis-habisin energi aja.
Farewell, heir to the knighthood of Boreas. Whether you choose to resist me or not, I shall set right the injustices of this world. In the name of the blood-stained knight.
Udah meninggal ya, udah meninggal. Nggak perlu bangkit-bangkit lagi.
Guess they're retreating for now.
Pengecut.
So that Wolf of the North lookalike, that was Andreas? But why would he be leading the wild hunt? And why was he talking about the bloodstained knight?
Paimon, pelan-pelan.
Forget that. We can save the details for later. He was the enemy boss, right? Are we just gonna let him get away?
Enemy boss.
There's no point chasing after him. We've crossed blades already, and it ended in a stalemate. Right now, there's nothing we could do about him.
Why? As long as he might lose, surely he cannot be any stronger than the foes we've fought before.
True. We're still not certain of his true identity, but whether he's a god corrupted by the abyss or a legendary knight.
Kayaknya Roland deh yang make wolf spiritnya setengah dari wolf spiritnya Andreas.
Killing him might be just about possible, especially now that you're here. The difficult part is, we can't kill him right now.
Why?
Huh? What do you mean? Is he immortal or something?
I guess.
No. Judging from our skirmishes so far, I don't think he's got any special abilities of that caliber. Nor does he have the ridiculous level of power wielded by the five sinners.
Berarti lebih lemah daripada Raker of Solnari.
But, compared to Rerir, our current foe clearly has a better understanding of how to exploit Nodcry to his advantage. Particularly when it comes to Andreas' remnant soul.
So what you're really worried about? But the god remains.
Exactly. Sounds like you realize what the crux of the issue is.
Berarti kita harus bawa balik wolf spiritnya utuh. Jangan sampai tercerai-berai gara-gara kita ngalahin si Roland.
I managed to cut off a sample from our foe, which Albedo and Durin are analyzing as we speak.
Oh, mereka berdua masih di sini.
Our other allies should be making their way home from their own battles by now. Let's discuss this further when they're back.
Okay.
We still have some big challenges ahead before this expedition can finally be declared a victory.
Langsung moving lagi kita. Gak ada take a break nih. Mau take a break buat motong videonya. Udah terlalu panjang ini guys. Habis ini juga azan. Oh, ini dia breaknya. Siapa tuh? Nicole? Loen?
The meeting is probably gonna be on the biggest tent,
Ya
right?
udah.
Looks like a bunch of people are there already. Why don't we go chat with them?
Yahoda. Ngapain Yahoda di sini? Kita take a break di sini ya, guys. Ketemu lagi nanti. Bye bye. See you soon. See you soon. Bye bye, Farka. Halo guys.
Sure feels good to get away from my desk.
Baliklah.
Now, where's a good spot for a
Shush. Farka, shush. Halo guys, balik lagi sama aku. Habis azan tadi, kita lanjut lagi yuk ceritanya Farka. Dan kita tadi lihat ada Yahoda. Yahoda ngapain di sini? Kalau nggak diajak ngomong nggak? Oke, kita ajak ngomong.
Hey, good to see you again. Oh,
Boss Sneff asked me to pass on a message.
Oh,
She went
buat
to see
warga?
Lauma and Columbina at the Frost Moon Scions. Apparently, there haven't been any changes to that space the Rahir of Solnari's in.
Hah? Maksud kita bisa berkunjung ke sana maksudnya?
That means the recent wild hunt attacks have nothing to do with Riri, right? Whew, that's a relief. Doesn't fancy facing him again.
Udah tobat ya.
They're keeping a close watch on it just in case. With so many moon experts on the case, we're in pretty safe hands, huh?
Harusnya sih.
Oh yeah, Lauma and Columbina asked me to pass on a message too. Focus on the enemy you are facing. The moon will protect you all.
Oh, thank you Columbina.
You know something? These Knights of Favonius are paying me a pretty nice sum to deliver a few simple messages. Oh, Varka's a generous guy.
Oh, duitnya banyak ternyata Bapak Varka. Bye-bye ya udah. You're so small. So cute. Mana Varga? Oh, Inessa. Inessa. Inessa.
Short distance propulsion module on cooldown. 15 minutes until next departure.
Loh, kalian mau
Switching
kemana?
to chat mode. Hello there, Paimon, traveler.
Inessa? What are you doing here?
Varka placed a sizable order with the Clink Clink Krumkake craft shop. I know is hard at work producing the strategic reserve, while I am handling the deliveries.
Okay, Inessa. Thank you then.
Secondly, I am also here to attend the meeting in her place.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for your hard work. Let me talk with Flins. Hi, Flins. Do you want to see me? Do you want to talk with me? Before I came to the Varka?
Huh? Flins! Paimon thought the Lightkeeper's rep would be Iqua or Nikita.
Naya? It's not like you to volunteer to attend a meeting.
You're quite right. However, Itlua and Nikita are both busy organizing the Ratniki's region-wide response to the recent attacks. And since I'm well acquainted with everyone else here, I was the one they recommended to attend the meeting.
Oh, so you don't even want to be here.
Sometimes you don't get a choice when there might be consequences down the line.
Ya, tapi kan ada Varka. I don't care. Dia nggak terlalu peduli. Bukan apa namanya? Bukan tempat dia untuk bersosialisasi.
Hey, Honorary Knight. Looks like pretty much everyone's here.
Yeah, let's do the meeting.
Albedo and Durin are just wrapping up their analysis. You want to wait for them here?
Wait, aku mau nunjukin kalian yang tempat
That works
ada
too. All right. You keep gathering intel.
tempat yang ini loh guys, ada ceritanya tentang Boreas sama Koitar. Nah ini loh, yang ada ini kayak ngambang-ngambang gitu. Ini ada questnya di sini, tapi aku belum ngerjain. Habis ini deh, kalau ada kesempatan, kalau ada waktu.
On me.
Kaget aku ada suara Varka tiba-tiba. Ternyata aku pakai Varka.
Hey, Honorary Knight. Albedo and Durin are just wrapping up their analysis.
Let's go.
Great. While we're waiting, could you update me on the situation in Mondstadt?
Mondstadt kena attack Wild Hunt, Pak. Terus Razor khawatir sama kamu. Rosaria juga. Ya gitulah. After updating Varka on the situation in Mondstadt, you explain the relationship between the god of Northwind and the
And that's where things
Bloodstained
stand.
Knight.
The Wild Hunt is no longer under the Reikir of Solnari's control. But it has been reborn from the ashes and is now launching widespread attacks. Intel from the Frostmoon Scions and the Curatorium of Secrets corroborates this. No disturbances have been detected in the space where Rerir resides. What we are facing here is a completely new foe.
Summarizing current situation. To confirm, the present leader of the Wild Hunt is the creature resembling a wolf. Andrius, god of the North Wind.
Ya, kira-kira seperti
More
itu.
precisely, it's the external will that has seized control of Andrius' spirit,
Ya, Roland.
namely Roland, the Bloodstained Knight.
True.
Whoa. Hold on. I'm completely lost. Isn't Roland some monstatter from like 500 years ago?
True, ya udah.
How'd he suddenly get wrapped up with a god from 1,000 years in the past and the present day Wild Hunt?
Yeah, about that.
Allow us to explain that part.
Okay,
Are you
Albedo.
familiar with compensation mechanisms? When an
Compensation?
organism sustains damage, relevant tissues will undergo changes to offset the loss of function. For example, when one kidney is damaged, the other will be strengthened to compensate.
Okay.
Or, when a main artery is blocked, the collateral vessels become more active. Similarly, when the Wild Hunt lost their leader, the Abyss harnessed the memories that flow throughout the ley lines to fashion a new one, fit for the present circumstances. That new leader is a mirror image of Roland, the Bloodstained Knight.
Oh, so that wasn't the real Roland. Ah.
Right. No matter how strong the compensation is, it will never quite match the functionality of the original organ.
Okay.
The Roland replica can't possibly imitate Rerir's overwhelming power, nor his ability to disguise himself as others.
Okay, harusnya lebih gampang kan?
So, the Abyss made use of the connection between Roland and Boreas to compensate for this lack of power.
Okay.
The replica corrupted and took control of Andrius as he slumbered by the bank of Amsvartnir, ultimately manifesting as the giant beast that you all witnessed.
Ya, Amspartnir. Ya, yang di sebelahnya Knight of Favonius itu namanya Amspartnir. Ultimately manifesting as the giant beast that you all witnessed.
However, exactly why the Abyss chose Roland to mimic, and indeed how it was able to do so, remains unclear.
Okay.
I guess he must have gotten caught up with the Abyss or Nodcry somehow during his wanderings through Tevat. But we can keep those questions on the back burner.
Okay, Paimon gets all that, but what did you mean when you said we can't kill him right now?
Yeah.
We can't kill him right now because a dead god may prove more dangerous than a living one.
Okay.
From intelligence gathered during the expedition, we have reason to believe that the power released when a god is felled can have catastrophic consequences for us mortals.
Oh, like when the tower fell in the Storm Terror lair? Or when the human turned to salt beneath Saltere? Ah.
Worse still, the wrath that remains after a god's passing becomes a source of endless turmoil. Once god remains contaminate the land, they will persist for thousands of years.
Ya, Tatarasuna.
This land has already been ravaged by the Wild Hunt. If we add god remains to the mix, it'd be like adding salt to an open wound, placing everyone who lives here in perilous danger.
Okay.
Query. While I can indeed find records of disasters caused by god remains in my database, there also appear to be cases of gods dying naturally with no ill effects. In that land, the passing of the Pyro Archon's flame is a common occurrence throughout history, and even the part of Andrius who remains in Mondstadt has experienced death once before, has he not?
Yes.
Great question. Glad you asked. Honorary Knight, you said Lupus Boreas gave you a token to pass on to me? Please, present it now. It should help explain things faster.
Okay. Karena dia split jiwa, makanya nggak semudah itu mengeliminasi dia.
Come forth, Boreas.
Oh.
This form has come to the end of its time. I'm afraid I can accompany you no further on your journey. My soul will fall into silence, and my power will flow into the ley lines of this land. Perhaps this is all that a wolf can hope to do for humankind.
Oh, Boreas.
Do not grieve for me, for this is the end I have chosen. Instead, remember that one day, your wandering too must come to an end. Where and when shall that be?
Okay.
A final wish before I slumber.
Oh, baru nyadar ini. Ininya Boreas. Love.
A song. That melody you so often hummed in the taverns.
Oh, Varka nyanyi. Wow. Bisa nyanyi dia. Ah, lagunya Mondstadt. Aduh, out of tune. Pales.
You saw it too. You must have keen powers of perception. Not that it surprises me.
Too close.
That was Boreas' final thoughts before merging with the ley lines. It's the reason Mondstadt remains unharmed by his god remains.
Karena Boreas.
In his final moments, he made a choice to give everything he was to the ley lines. All to protect Mondstadt from harm.
Sounds like Andreas spent thousands of years searching for his place in the world, too.
Oh, kayak kamu ya, Ineva. Oh.
Yes. And now our task is to return the answer he found, the decision he made, to Andreas' heart. Only then can he break free from the corruption and control of the Abyss, and make that decision once more.
Okay. To merge himself with the ley lines.
I see. I would say that planting thoughts inside the mind of a god sounds a little far-fetched, but since it was his own wish to begin with, it sounds feasible to me.
Apalah kita cuman remah-remah kue kongguan.
Wait, we already have a perfect solution? Then why are we even having this meeting? Let's go do this thing.
Cepet cari. Katanya ya udah.
If only it were that simple. Unfortunately, this one thought alone is unlikely to be powerful enough to break through the Abyss's control and reach Andreas' heart.
Then, how is it?
We need to find a way to make the thought within this sword stronger and more resilient.
Within this world, stronger and more resilient. Okay.
For now, Boreas needs all his remaining strength to fight against the abyssal corruption to Mondstadt's ley lines. He can't afford to send us any more of his power. However, since his form was unstable during his journey with the first Knight of Boreas, many wolf spirit fragments were left behind along the way.
Oh.
If we can collect those fragments, we can use them to strengthen the decision to merge with the ley lines.
Okay.
So we need to retrace his steps and look for random fragments? But they could be anywhere between Notcry and Mondstadt. It'll be like looking for a needle in a haystack.
You don't need to worry about that. There's a few fragments left to gather in Notcry, but apart from that, most of them are already inside this sword. I've been
Yang masuk
collecting them during
tadi.
the whole expedition.
Okay.
Huh? Wait, really?
I mean, it's an expedition, not a stroll in the park. Each step of the way, we've been hard at work planning for every possible contingency.
Ya, bukannya jalan-jalan tidak bertujuan.
Not just the wild hunt in the Abyss, but ancient gods remaining in Notcry.
Sounds like this plan was a long time in the making. It's almost as if you foresaw the future.
Oh, Kan lihat scry glassnya Barbelot.
As a matter of fact, I did. I caught a glimpse of fate's reflection. But I can't take credit for it. It was all thanks to the help of a few friends.
Oh, Varka.
Still, all I foresaw was that an abyssal calamity was brewing in the north. Had I known more, we could have saved a lot of energy.
Okay.
Instead, we've had to make best guesses, prepare for every possible scenario. If all that preparation went to waste, all the better for it. But anything that proved useful, we knew we'd be grateful for down the line.
And sure enough, now it's proving useful.
Sure is. Just one crucial step remains. We need to gather the last few wolf spirit fragments scattered around Nodcry, and use them to make the thought within this sword as strong as it could possibly be.
Okay, let's go. Chop chop.
According to what Boreas told me before we left Mondstadt, his form was at its most unstable at the beginning of his journey. That means the fragments here should be the most powerful ones. But of course, we've been tied up fighting battles since the day we set foot in Nodcry. First with the Wild Hunt, then with the Doctor. So, it wasn't until recently that we were finally able to confirm the status of the Wolf Spirit fragments. We now know there are 3 left to find.
Okay,
Okay, so 3 more mini expeditions to go.
let's go.
I managed to gather 1 fragment before Roland reappeared. I also have a confirmed location for the second, which I'll take care of in short order.
Sendirian. Berarti tinggal satu nih.
As for the third fragment, we've identified a general search area to focus on. But we'll need all hands on deck to pinpoint the exact location.
Wow, you've made a lot of progress. Already.
The final snag is that since our foe is a replica of Roland, he too will be aware of Andrias' history. He's sure to try and sabotage our plans by any means at his disposal. So everyone needs to bring their A game.
Okay.
With our foe being from Mondstadt, it's our duty as Mondstadters to defeat him.
And since the Wild Hunt is involved, the Lightkeepers will provide their full support.
The Clink Clink Krumkake craft shop will also help in any way we can.
Oh, Neva. Ya udah. Mau nggak mau mesti ikut.
So, what do they need me here for?
Ya udah.
I think maybe I signed a contract at some point. Didn't exactly scrutinize it though. I mean, who actually reads those things anyway?
Ya harus dibaca dong. Ya Tuhan. Ya udah, kalau tanda tanganin kontrak jangan asal tanda tangan. Astaga, nih anak.
Ah, great. Knew I could count on you all. Lastly, our friend from the Curatorium of Secrets will provide intel and relay battlefield communications.
Oh.
Looking at you, Yehoda.
Disuruh lari-lari dia buat ngirim intel.
So, you'll be darting back and forth across the battlefield,
True.
dodging the Wild Hunt and the shadow of an ancient god. I'm impressed by your courage, Miss Yehoda.
Aw, ya udah.
Rating for Yehoda updated. Higher quality ingredients will be used to prepare your future meals.
Aw, Neva.
Darn it! I should have known this payday wouldn't come that easy.
Gak apa-apa kan dibayarin ini. Gaji gede sama Barca.
I'll deal with the second Wolf Spirit fragment, which we already know the location of. The moment you make any progress with Fragment 3, be sure to give me an update.
Okay.
Traveler, could you join me in retrieving Fragment 2?
Oh,
I have a feeling that your unique constitution might come in handy.
I'll follow your lead,
All
Grandmaster.
right, time is of the essence. Let's move out, people. Dismissed!
Ooh, charismatic. Ini bisa setor nggak aku? Oh, persenannya yang nggak bisa. Sijilnya mah banyak. Go to the wolf spirit location. Oke, ngobrol dulu. Flint, what do you think?
fragments of an ancient god. Thoughts stored inside a blade. Maybe I'm overthinking this, but I suspect there is more to Mr. Varka's plan than what he's revealed to us so far.
Ya, aku juga curiga. Suspicious.
Then again, the enemy can harness the Wild Hunt to spy on us wherever we go. As our commander, I'm sure he has his reasons for choosing not to tell us everything.
Sure. Ya udah terakhir. My favorite girl.
Speaking of contingency plans, I now recall that Barca also made a contingency plan when he asked me to deliver that letter. Perhaps I should ask Aino to prepare some additional backup modules for me.
Oh, what is it? Ya udah, what are you doing? So cute.
Yehuda, you dummy! You took the stupid job of your own free will! Oh, crying isn't gonna get you out of it!
Don't worry, Yoda. You're so good at running. Don't worry. Mana sih? Dekat kah? Jalan aja kalau gitu.
Here. On me.
Here, here. Wee. Oh, di deket tebing kah? Oh, mau masuk domain ini berarti. Oh, enggak, ding. Oh, ada ini. Kepencet. Mana tadi? Oh, di situ.
Didn't you say Fragment 2 was supposed to be right here? Where the heck is it?
Seems like we've run into a slight hindrance. Can I
Yeah.
leave this to you, Honorary Knight?
Bisa deh, Varka. Bentar, slow.
Traveler, Paimon, when this is all over, I'm gonna invite you around for a drink of...
Whoa, whoa! Stop thinking about Mondstadt's wine and keep your head in the game! You can't be daydreaming about alcohol before a battle!
Huh? Well, all right, just trying to lift our spirits a little. You want to see some photos I took of me and the knights before the expedition, maybe?
Shut up, shut up, shut up! Can we please just focus on finding the wolf spirit fragment?
Oh no, it's all dying. How is it? Bentar, Barka, bentar. Jangan gerak-gerak. Jangan gerak-gerak terus. Ngelag banget sih, gila.
Rest and rebuild!
Apa sih kalau ngelag banget? Berarti aku ngambilnya kejauhan berarti. Sini. Nah. Nah, bisa kan?
Is this what we're looking for? What do we do with it?
I once got Boreas to explain to me how he stores his soul inside objects. All I need to do is transfer it to my sword.
Okay. Claw of Steel.
Just like back at the camp, but this time, you'd best step back a bit, just in case.
Okay.
So, you're saying you don't know how to love people, and you don't understand human love either.
Who is it? Resolute or...
Why do you laugh?
Sorry, I just think the fact you're ruminating on this is all the proof you need that you have love in your heart. I have a funny feeling that by the time this journey ends, you'll have found your own answer to the question of how to love.
No, you're wrong. There is no redemption at the end of this path.
Ada kata siapa?
Even if I am stained black with blood, my conscience will remain as white as snow.
Roland? Is that
If
you?
pledging allegiance to the Abyss is the only way to sever the injustice of fate, then I shall serve in its name.
Napa? Memori buruk.
Oh, sure enough, this place has been corrupted by Roland's will. Whew. I'm fine. I was prepared for this. It wasn't enough to pose a serious threat.
Ya betul.
We got here just in time. The fragment hasn't been fully corrupted yet. Assuming we can undo the damage, it should still be usable.
You want me to purify it?
Purifying the abyssal corruption would definitely be a safe approach. But that's not the only reason I wanted you to come.
What is it?
Could you try reversing the corruption? Not purifying it, exactly, but separating out the Roland part from the wolf spirit.
How is it?
So, keep the Roland part intact as well as the wolf spirit part? Why would you want to do that?
Firstly, to test whether it's possible. And secondly, to view Roland's memories. As they say, know thyself, know thy enemy. Understanding our foe is our surest path to defeating him.
I've never even tried this before, but I will try.
Let me think. How is it explained to me? Yes. Focus on a single thought within the 1,000 winds. Capture that unique wisp before it blows away.
Ya, teorinya kayak gitu, tapi praktiknya I have no idea what that means.
Actually, neither do I.
What?
Sounds like something a certain tone-deaf bard would come up with when he can't think of anything meaningful to say. Don't tell Paimon that's what actually happened.
Iyalah, siapa lagi?
I thought it might mean something to you. Never mind. I'll explain it in more human terms.
Oh, berarti Farka paham.
Traveler, when you were in Natlan, you went fishing for ancient names, correct?
But I wasn't the one doing the fishing.
If I'm not mistaken, the Night Kingdom was like a river flowing with concepts, and you were trying to capture the concept belonging to a particular ancient name.
Yeah.
I'm thinking the same basic principles should apply here.
How? Di sini nggak ada Night Kingdom.
Okay, but back then, we had a bow and a net. This time, we don't have anything at all.
True.
This wolf spirit fragment is like a puddle compared to the Night Kingdom. No need for a boat. As for a net, this is what I've heard.
Mm-hmm.
Thoughts and emotions are like
Ooh.
interwoven threads. They can create a net,
Mabika.
or they can create a rope. They can separate love from hatred, and they can bind objects and events together.
So, it's thoughts and emotion. Kita ngambil itunya dari puddle itu tadi.
Thought is the anchor for a being's existence, through which emotions are drawn forth.
Okay. Okay, I think I'm kind of starting to get the idea, but maybe I'm not. It's hard to say.
Also, we barely know anything about Roland. How are we supposed to use thoughts to anchor him?
Well, maybe you could try this.
Oh, what is it?
What is it? It looks old and tattered.
Letter?
It's an unsent letter written by the wolf pup
Rostam?
Rostam, Knight of Boreas, from 500 years ago.
Oh,
It was meant for his
shoot.
disciple, the White Knight Roland.
That's a heck of a thing to have sitting in your back pocket.
After Rostam lost his life in the Abyssal Calamity, Roland left Mondstadt to wander to Vat. Grandmaster Arundel had wanted to deliver this letter to him.
Arundel, Grandmaster, okay, had wanted to deliver this letter to him. Tapi kan nggak pernah
But
kekirim
trying
ke
to track
Roland.
Roland down was like chasing a shadow. He never did find him. And so this letter has been sitting at the Knights of Favonia's headquarters ever since.
Gini, kan tadi thoughts and memories, right? Tapi kalau ini nggak pernah terkirim suratnya, harusnya mana tadi? Thoughts and emotion. Oh, kirain memories. Thoughts and emotion. Tapi kalau surat ini aja nggak pernah nyentuh dia, nggak pernah nyentuh Roland, bagaimana surat ini bisa memancing Roland keluar, coba?
Quite the antique then. But how exactly is it supposed to anchor Roland?
Yeah, I'm honestly not sure.
Farka, we are both dumb in here. How we doing anything?
What happened to Mr. Plans for every contingency? You're just making this up as you go along.
Give a break. Give man a break. Give this man a break, Paimon.
What can I say? Some people like to wait till they've got all their ducks in a row before taking the first step, but I prefer to dive on in and plan as I go. I've been doing it that way for the whole expedition.
Mr. Spontaneous, I've been doing it that way for the whole expedition. Oh my god. Your luckiness is out of the roof.
But anyway, don't they say that poetry and letters were humanity's earliest means of expressing their thoughts?
True.
Can't hurt to give it a try, surely.
Sampai mana tadi? But anyway, don't they say that poetry and letters were humanity's earliest means of expressing their thoughts? Cannot hurt to give it a try, surely. We might as well see what happens. Okay, let's try. Oh.
Whoa. It actually worked?
Yes. I think.
You really are making this up as you go along.
So,
So
okay,
the
Paimon.
assimilation of souls really can be reversed. Just like he said.
The assimilation of souls. Got him! Got him!
If what you say is true,
Roland!
The monsters I've slain.
The justice
I
of
sought
such
to uphold.
hold.
For mortals to escape this tragic fate, there's only one path.
Death.
A great and ancient kingdom was wrongfully cursed,
Kandria?
turning its inhabitants into monsters.
Ngomong apa tadi? The monsters have slain, the justice of dia tahu fakta kalau kayak Shirley Charles dan monster-monster lainnya yang berasal dari Kandria adalah orang-orang tidak bersalah. Jadi merasa guilty, merasa bersalah dia udah ngabisin segitu banyak monster.
The code of chivalry tolerates not such injustice.
Ya kan nggak tahu.
If
It's
abyss
okay.
be thy name, I pledge to you my loyalty.
Oh, jatuh ke dalam pengaruh
And that is
abis.
where the blood-stained knight's tale came to an end.
Featherfornir.
With that, he bade his humanity farewell.
Oh my god.
I dare say you must find it quite ironic, Knight of Boreas.
Yeah. Ayo Lovarka.
That I? Dainsleif? No. Bore a striking resemblance, but that wasn't him.
Kakaknya.
While we gazed into the past, he was gazing right back at us.
Ya,
Could it be?
bisa lihat masa depan. Featherfornir.
So that's what happened. After leaving Mondstadt and wandering the land, Roland ventured underground and saw a revelation from the visionary.
Underground. Bener berarti Kandria di bawah. And saw a revelation from the visionary.
Once he had learned of Conria's fate, he saw the gods' judgment as the greatest injustice. So he surrendered himself to the Abyss, giving them his knowledge, his power, his everything. That's why the Abyss can replicate him.
Sudah menjadi budaknya.
Does this mean we have to take on the visionary this time?
Oh no. No, the founder of the Abyss Order was once shown a revelation based on his experience at this. The founder of the visionary is unlikely to intervene directly.
I'm inclined to agree. If our enemy could see the future, both the Wild Hunt and Roland would be acting with far more lethal precision.
I guess.
But even without the Visionary's input, Roland still has an intel advantage we can't afford to underestimate. Every minion of the Wild Hunt serves as Roland's eyes and ears. We need to think one step ahead if we want to outmaneuver him.
True.
And on that note, I have a plan I want to discuss with you.
Now, why didn't you bring it up during the meeting?
Well, the fewer people who know, the less likely it is to get leaked. Besides, it wasn't a fully formed plan back then.
Varka explains his plan.
That about covers it. Sorry to ask so much of you again.
It's so dangerous.
No plan is free of risks. At least this one actually gives us a shot at fully eliminating the danger posed by this ancient god. Surely that's got to make the risk worth taking.
But there is no guarantee it will work.
If I fail, Anselm and Albedo can take the reins. Not to mention we still have Jean in Mondstadt.
Anselm? Gak pernah denger. Siapa ini? Yang tahu komen guys.
Oh, there has to be another way. Like a backup plan?
Backup plan?
If only there were. But I don't think our enemy will give us enough time to find one.
Hey. Yoda?
Hey! Are you guys done here yet?
I guess.
Ah, Yehoda! Yes, we've successfully retrieved the Wolf Spirit fragment here. Any progress with Fragment 3?
Nope. It's a total disaster. More Wild Hunt monsters than I've seen in my whole life. We need backup urgently. Come quick.
Where is it?
Come on, we're out of time. You'll just have to trust me on this one.
You're making too many decisions on your own.
What can I say? I'm not the Grand Master for nothing. I'm counting on you, Honorary Knight.
Oh.